So here we are back at it again, my lovely people. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to the Amazon 5 Real Mall. So here we go. It's gonna take some time, but around 20 minutes or something, but we are up for it, inshallah. There seems to be much traffic from the King Abdullah Road, so I'm planning to go from the other Makkah Road, inshallah. So this is the Rahmaniyah District here in Riyadh, and we are driving a Shanyanedo 2025. We are gonna scour the streets of the planet. We are gonna drive to different places, in different places, and inshallah we are gonna make the best out of it and show you people alongside as well. So that's the situation right now. Okay, I think we can manage this. Mumtaz, here we go. And also it's gonna be a lot of good memories, inshallah, when we'll see all of these memories again in the future. So things are gonna be great, inshallah. So 20 minutes for 16 kilometers in Riyadh. That is wonderful. Couldn't get better than this. Oh, there's a guy coming, there's a guy coming, there's a guy coming. Okay, so here we go onwards on our journey. This is the Takhasusi street, Takhasusi. I would really like to come to this Java time before I go to Pakistan, because I have good memories with Java time. I used to go there when I was new in Riyadh. There was one on the King Abdullah Road, but they shut it down. So onwards we go. We are going the speed limit. The speed limit of this road is 80, so we have to stick to it. Usually in Riyadh they have cameras at these sorts of places, like coming up from here there will be one around here. Let's see if there is, or either it could be here or on the other side. Like you see on the other side, it will even catch the ones that are coming from here, and it will catch the ones that are speeding over here. So that's the sort of stuff that you get to see here. And oof, there's a lot of traffic on Makkah Road even now, but still, anyways, it's not that much considering we are in Riyadh. Adi. So I will meet you after the traffic signal. Oh, seems like the traffic signal opened, so we are gonna go from here. good thing about this Shenzhen Edo is that we can have the map on a full screen, and it's Mumtaz Jiddan. On various places you see the known minutes warehouses, like the one over there, and that's how they are able to give us very quick delivery. Because they are present at a lot of places. Even around this area I know 3 locations, so they have like very good coverage. Now we are on the King Fahad Road. Riyadh. We are gonna face traffic, but once we get stuck in traffic I'll actually turn off the video unless we go close to the Amazon 5 Real Mall that I was talking about. So by the way, I left my prayer mat at the Dunkin', and well, I went back home. It was after Juma prayer, and then I remembered that I forgot it here, and now I came back. I took it from there. It was in the same location, same place. Not even the Muzdifin, not even the staff had touched it, so that's very good. This is the type of stuff you get to see in the Gulf countries. MashaAllah, they are comparatively a lot safer than hundreds of countries. Like, they are pretty good. Which one is the safest though? What do you think? So now we will face traffic. But we shall see how it goes. You can also let me know down in the comments what places you would like to see in Riyadh. Here we go. Now we have to merge on to the main Makkah Road. We can go over here. Yes. Wow, felt like a breeze. Felt like moving through the traffic like a breeze. So the emergency button for this car is over here. The emergency lights button. May Allah protect everyone. However, on the other side, the flow of the traffic is much better. Is that a hovel? So here we are. I thought I would end the video, but well, anyways, let's talk about it. I also have one channel on finance back in Pakistan. It's like 3K on YouTube and like almost like 2K on TikTok. It's also doing well. It got monetized as well quite some time ago, but actually the CPM on the videos, it's not that much. So well, anyways, I'm doing what is my passion, and that is investing and learning, knowing and spreading more awareness on investing. And the account is for the Pakistani audience. So there's a lot going on, really. These are the scenes of the Makkah Road. Up ahead the traffic is gonna be sort of less in one of the patches, the orange one that you see over here, but we are already moving with a fairly decent speed. Oh, what is this? 39 is a fairly decent speed on a 100 kilometer per hour road. So here we are cruising on the Makkah Road. There's a red patch up ahead. So just in case if you are wondering, this is what a drive looks like on Makkah Road.